Hello, this is Kyle from the Panama City Beach Library. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a little tutorial on how to access your library account and how to put books on hold for the library. So to get started, you'll need three things: a computer or a smartphone, some way to get online, an active library card, and a PIN number. If you're unsure if your library card is active or if you've forgotten your PIN number, feel free to give a call to your local library branch. They'll be happy to help you. So to start, you'll want to go to this website here. This is nwrls.com. It's our main library website. And we're looking at the top for something that's called My Account, written in orange. Once you click on that, it will take you to this screen here. This has you wanting to put in your library card number and your PIN number. I'm going to do that now. And once you're done, you can click Login. This will show you all of your personal account information. All of mine will be blurred out. And from there, you can look at the search bar here. Now, in the search bar, if you know the name of the book you're looking for, you can go ahead and type that in. If you're unsure of what you're looking for, you can type in a genre like romance or mystery, or you can type in an author like James Patterson. Let's look for anything. Let's look for The Great Gatsby. When you're done, you hit search, and it'll show you all of the different search options here. These are all of the different items available in our library system. I'm looking for the book, so I scroll down. It looks like this is the book. So once you find the item that you want to check out, you can just click on the blue title of it at the top here. It'll take you to this lovely page where you can see details and summaries about the book. There's information like AR reading level if you're a student and you want to take advantage of that. But what we're really looking for is the place hold button, this orange one here. And when you click on it, it'll ask for you to select your pickup location. This is where you want to go to pick up the book once it's available for you. I work at the beach, so I'll click Panama City Beach, and I'll click Submit Hold. Then you'll see hold placed successfully at the top. That means that your hold was successfully placed. What you're waiting for now is an email or a phone call to come from your local library branch to let you know that your book is available, and you can go ahead and start looking for other books if you want. Let's look for The Old Man and the Sea. This time I want the DVD version. Again, you just click on the blue text, you click Place Hold, and you select the pickup location. Mine will be Panama City Beach, and submit the hold. And you can do that up to 10 items on your active library card. So I hope this video was informational for you. Have a good day.